Welcome to another video. We are in the arse end of nowhere, almost sunset, so the light is looking awesome. We're here in the freezing cold because we are going to be testing out the Sigma 65mm f2 DGDM, which is a brand new lens from Sigma. We've been lucky enough to get hold of this lens a couple of weeks before it's announced, so we're going to be testing it out today. Full disclaimer, this is not a full review, in-depth look at this lens. This is just us having some fun in the middle of nowhere with our model Monika. If you do want to see a full review of this lens, then click here. To see that, we'll go into depth, we'll show you loads of images, close up, go into all of that detail, but just for now, we're just gonna have some fun with some good golden light, so let's hope it goes well. Are you ready for this? I don't think I'm ready for this. Sun's looking great. Lovely, really nice, really nice. That's cool. If your hair blows in front of your face, just kind of let it go. And then looking straight at the lens, yeah, that's great. Really nice, really nice. George, if you just bring this around here just a little bit more. Okay, thank you. Yeah, sweet. Let's try a few with the sunlight on your face, so we can probably lose that now. Yeah, that's nice. Let me know if it hurts your eyes and you can just stop. Perfect. That's nice. Yeah, cool. I like that. Oh yeah, hold that. Hold that, hold that. Yeah, that's cool. Nice. Cool. George! Man down! It's all coming back. You weren't there, man! Visions of Nam coming back. Really nice. Really nice. Let's get a few just looking straight down the lens. Yeah, nice. If you really have to squint, don't worry about it. Yeah, just go for it. Yeah, that's cool. Perfect. Right, let's give your eyes a break a second. If we climb down this little bit, what I might do is, let's see if there's a spot we can sit down on, because that might be quite cool. Oh my God, how slippy is this? Is this where you almost fell down?
Come on, Tommy.
Catch me! Catch me! George. You got me? I'm not even going to joke because I will go. How do you feel about sitting on the floor?
It's okay, don't worry.
All good? Perfect. There you go. So if you could fill it in from, so you can lay it down lengthways now potentially. Like that, it's perfect, mate. Yeah. Really nice. Perfect. Really nice. Yeah, flicking your hair's good. Nice. Cool. Just gonna come in front of you a little bit. Or even this hand here, just sort of like let it lean a little bit. Yeah, that's nice, a bit more casual. And then just come back a bit, hold that. Awesome. Cool, really good. Really cool. And then if you just sort of play with your hair, just bringing it right in front of your face. Yeah, lovely, I really like that. Hold that there. Perfect. You can pull your hood up if you wanted. If you wanted to hold like your hood. Yeah, that's cool, I like that. Yeah, wicked. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna need that reflector, I think, for sure. Makes such a big difference. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, that's great. Really nice. Yeah, I like that a lot. Another one just looking straight at me. Yeah, that's cool. Perfect. Yeah, I like it. I like the hair blowing in your face is cool. They're just looking at me. Yeah, that's it. That's awesome. Really nice. Lovely. George is falling down the hill. You're right, George.
Sorry, I just needed a
Come on, this is a serious shoot.
I'm the star of the show. It's my moment.
Come on, if you can just come up here a bit, George. Come on. Come on, you're all right. Look, he's all right. Look, he's fine. He's all right. He can do it. You can do it. It's a little train who could. Come on.
Legs.
In fact, I preferred it down there. Do you mind? No. And then just looking at me, yeah, perfect. That's great. Cool. Right, whilst we've got this, whilst we've got the sunlight, let's do the full body ones over there. I think we're done. We're done. We're all good.
Oh, yeah, there you go. That's what I wanted.
Perfect. So if you stand about there, yeah, because the light looks good on you. Excellent. So yeah, just walking towards me, just keeping looking at the camera. It's nice. Perfect. Excellent. Let me just try one more with the sun. So this will be with the sun in your face again, but it's not quite so bad now. So if you stick your hood up, then turn your eyes to look at me. Yeah, that's great. Really cool. Yeah, I like that a lot. Cool. Yeah. So putting both hands on your hood was really nice. Really nice. That's cool. I like that. Perfect. I think we're done. We've got loads. Two big thank yous. Firstly, thank you to Monika for modelling with us today. Really appreciate your help. I think she's done a great job. I'm sure you'll all agree. And second thank you goes to Sigma for lending us this lens. I've had a lot of fun shooting with it today. Really impressed with the AF, especially shooting into direct sunlight. It handled really, really well. Didn't have any problems at all. So I'm interested to see what the image quality is like. Obviously, again, if you want to see the full review, click here. Let me know what you think of this lens in the comments below. If you've liked this video as well and you want to see more behind the scenes type videos like this, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. But in the meantime, I'll see you in the next one. Let's go home. It's cold.